Hello guys, once again we are wrapping up the trip here at Integral Kumusha for Mai Chimuti, and with me here I have Baba Chimuti, Dr. Taranhike. So he has been showing us the great work that they are doing here, particularly the farming aspect. Now what you see around here is a greenhouse that was recently constructed. And Baba is going to explain to us in terms of like the vision, what they are doing here, and also to encourage other people who may want to venture into farming. He will also break down the cost and potential revenue or income streams, because this is a business and he is practical about it, because that's what they do. They breathe and do agriculture for living. Baba, thank you again for welcoming us.
Thank you, Isaac. Yes, this is a very exciting project that we have embarked on.
Yes.
And it came about as a result of the fact that we got a contract with mine to supply them. We realized that we are going to be farming productively throughout the whole year.
Yes.
We need a greenhouse. Okay, because we can control our farming, we can control the output, we can then even project our revenue generation.
Yes.
And we have put up this massive structure,
Yes.
which is the first one.
Yes.
And I'm saying first one because from the numbers that we have done, and if everything goes well, we are likely to be generating enough revenue to recover the cost and also to reinvest to get additional facilities of this nature. So the cost of putting up this structure,
Yes.
if I can just break it down,
Yes.
the poles, which is the major component of this structure, cost us $4,800 US.
Yes.
The shed net cost us $2,800, $900.
Yes.
And labor of constructing this cost us $2,500.
Yes.
Which, if you do the numbers,
Yeah, approximately maybe let's say 10,000, 10K.
Yes. And our projection with the contract that we have already signed,
Yes.
we should be able to be generating not less than $3,000 US per month.
Yeah.
Yes. So you
Wow.
can see, according to our projection, we
Yes.
should recover. We have already put in and also start to generate enough
Yes.
that will leave us with the capacity to build more facilities,
Yes.
and also even to provide and meet demand,
Yes.
or invest ahead of demand.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
And what that means is, like you indicated, Dr. Taranhike, you already have the market.
Yes, the
Right?
market is guaranteed,
Yes.
and this is the confidence that made us to invest this $10,000
Yes.
for us to meet the demand and the market that is staring at our faces.
This is very interesting, because a lot of people now, when they have the product, they fail to have access to markets that can give them value. So this is very smart way of doing the farming, the agriculture, because it's integrated.
Yes.
This is interesting. Now, I also like to be authentic about this project. Baba, you've been doing this project for many years, right? What are the key lessons that you've learned in your farming? And let's say someone wants to do this, what should they do and not do?
The
Succeed.
biggest lesson that we have learned is presence.
Okay.
If you're going to be doing projects of this magnitude, or any other project,
Yes.
don't manage it remotely.
Okay. Cell-phone farming.
Whether it's cell phone or random visits, nothing beats being on the ground. And that was our biggest learning. Mai Chimuti and I, we have learned. Initially when we started, we had people working for us and we were away. But when we decided Mai Chimuti to be here,
Yes.
every time
Yes.
there is huge change.
Okay.
And that's how we managed to progress faster than we had anticipated. The other key learning we have gotten from this and what is to not to expect returns too early.
Yes.
This kind of revenue generation is not sustainable.
Yeah.
You should
Get rich quick schemes.
that won't work.
Yes.
We need to be patient and invest.
Yes.
And allow the investment to grow organically and to start to bear fruit. And the other lesson that I've learned is you can't just reap where you did not sow.
Okay.
Invest.
Yes.
Put money there, put energy there,
Yes.
put your passion there,
Yes.
put everything into the business. In other expressions, people say, have the skin in the game.
Yes.
Yeah. And those are the three key learnings that I will share.
Guys, we have heard it from the horse's mouth. The greatest thing when you are venturing or intending to venture into farming, take it as a long-term investment. Understand that it's a journey, right? You may have challenges, but you have to learn along the way and invest for the long term. That's the same thing that I tell people when they come for coaching, when I do stocks. If you want to invest, think long term, 5, 10, 15 years. And understand that you may run through some costs, maybe 1 to 3 years. And then from there, you can start to generate profits. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Isaac, signing out from Mai Chimuti, Integral Kumusha rural project. And thank you again, Dr. Taranhike. I really appreciate the privilege of your time, everything that you have done to show us around together with my family and parents as well. I hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.
Thank you
It's
so
been
much.
a great pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now.